In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages in the Squarespace app. Whether you're reorganizing your site structure or just trying to make your pages flow better, moving pages around is a straightforward yet crucial task that can significantly improve the user experience on your website. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is where your site building journey begins, and it's often the starting point for any adjustments you'll be making. Ensure you're logged into your Squarespace account, and from your dashboard, you'll see various options and tools available to you. Next, once you're on your Squarespace homepage, click on the option marked Website. This is essentially the command center for all things related to your site's design, structure, and content. Clicking here will take you to a more detailed menu that includes all aspects of your website setup. From there, direct your attention to the Pages section. This section houses all the pages of your site, whether they are main navigation pages, footer pages, or those tucked under a drop-down. By clicking Pages, you'll be presented with a list view of your pages, often displayed in the order they appear on your site. This is where the reorganization magic happens. Now that you're in the Pages section, you can choose the specific page you wish to move. Identify this page in the list, then click, hold, and drag it to a new location within your site's structure. This is done simply by selecting the page and dragging it to your desired slot in the navigation hierarchy. As you drag, you'll notice spaces and lines appearing, which guide you on where the page can be placed. This flexibility allows you to reposition pages as necessary to match your design needs or to enhance the browsing experience for your visitors. Remember, the changes you make here are immediate, so take a moment to carefully consider the new placement. If it doesn't quite fit, you can always adjust again by repeating this drag and drop process. This functionality is one of the strengths of the Squarespace app, offering you a visual representation while allowing freedom to rearrange as you deem appropriate. After you have successfully moved your page to its new position, it's a good idea to navigate to your live site and check that everything displays correctly. This final step ensures that the visitor experience remains seamless and that navigation links are intuitive and effective. And there you have it, a simple, clear process for repositioning pages within the Squarespace app. By taking control of your pages in this way, you can optimize your website for both aesthetic appeal and functional clarity, making it easier for users to find what they're looking for and appreciate the content you've worked hard to present.